Hello, what is up everybody, R57 here back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we have the brand new Tarmac Works X Jonsibal Design Works, the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 in this gorgeous looking midnight purple color. As you can see right here, love the box style, purple and blue is the theme. There is the car facing frontwards and also inclusion with the roof and the spoiler. Yeah, you have a nice looking car right there. Tarmac Works Jonsibal, love the color of the box. So here is the side, Global 64 Nissan Skyline R32 Widebody. There is the car. And over on this side, Jonsibal Design Works, Global 64. Jonsibal again, and Tarmac Works. This is the second time we've seen this casting. The first time would be in the Advent livery, back when it was the JCCS, the Japanese Classic Car Show, in the US, and then it was released globally as a regular car as well. That was a collaboration between Jonsibal, Tarmac, and Lamley Group. In today's video, what we are looking at is the R32 in this midnight purple. As you can see, this is a global release, of course. Anyone can buy this. And yeah, this got sold out in the web store, the Tarmac Works web store, quite fast if you ask me. Although this is not an event car, but many people were keen to have this car. As I assure you, it is really worth it to get this car since of its color. Yeah, I forgot to show the back. So every designer has a story. You have the information about Jonsibal right there. Nissan licensing. Nissan Skyline R32 Widebody in midnight purple. There's the barcode right there, made in China. There are your socials. So yeah, let's open this up. The reason I say it's worth it is because of its color, the midnight purple paint job. Now, I did not get a chase, of course. The chase version is just stunning. It is a chrome. I'm not sure, should I say chrome purple or chrome pink? But based on the colors over at the web store, it seems as if it's a chrome purple, I think. It's a very bright chrome purple. I did not manage to get the chase, but yeah, I managed to get the beautiful looking midnight purple, which here it is, the midnight purple Nissan GTR R32 Widebody. As you can see right here, the second release of the R32, right after the Advent livery Jonsibal. I mean, this just looks nice. I love the chrome rims with the combo of the midnight purple on this one. This is a color that people really can't deny on looking at it, because it changes from purple to blue to green sometimes. It's just a color that slowly but surely color shifts. At the same time, it satisfies people based on looking at the car. I mean, this is just wonderful, wonderful, wonderful color. Really like it with the rims that it comes with. So yeah, brand new release from Tarmac. This is not available at many places yet, but you can soon buy yours from Two Monster Shop as well. They have not received the stock for this car yet, but soon it will. So by the time of recording this video, so far it is not available there yet. But you can also message them if you want to know whether this car is already available there or not. For the overseas purchases, basically, I think they already sold out at the web store. You can buy yours from your Local resellers, I think there are some that even ship globally from Japan and also from Hong Kong. One place I know, I think Tokyo Station, Tokyo Shop, I forgot what's it called, also is available. I think Hobby DG also has this car for global purchases if you do need the car badly. So yeah, they should have stock for this car already. This is just a wonderful car, and yeah, it's not a surprise to me that this car got sold out at the web store. I mean, it's just magnificent. Love the midnight purple on this one. So I think this is of course the second Jonsibal casting that we got. The first one was basically this, but in the Advent livery from JCCS, and the other one was the 86 Widebody. The third one is supposed to be a Datsun 240Z, I think, which is a nice car as well. So yeah, a lot of racing sponsors on this one, which we will take a look, I guess, right about now. So yeah, hold on. Move that aside and let's take a look. I won't be comparing with the Advent version because you can watch the Advent car review yourself if you want to. I actually have another video on that, the Advent car, because actually I got the Chase version, but I haven't reviewed it yet. So yeah, that will be in a future video. Chrome. Is it chrome or just gray? So gray 5-spoke wheels with the outer barrel being in chrome, which is nice. The rims, Toyo tire, what am I saying? Wheels, rubber tires, which is nice. Toyo tires. I don't know what am I saying. Tarmac logo right there. Jonsibal Design Works. Nissan logo right there. Toyo tires. Number 32, and what else does that say? Nismo. Not sure what is that. You do have the rubber side mirrors right there, quite fragile, just to take note. So yeah, of course you do have the stunning wide body kit, which is nice. Now here's the front. I love the color from the front here. R32 style headlights, of course, with the blinkers right there, the front grille, the exposed front intercooler right there, and I do not know what does that say. Licensing, sponsor, I guess. Extended front splitter, Nissan logo right there, Tarmac, number 32 in white. And then regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, right-hand drive, Jonsibal Design Works at the windshield. And over on the roof, yeah, pretty much nothing there, but for the rear window, yeah, you do see some sponsors, which you can pause to read if you want to. Cannot really see what are those, if not I could have read it out. Over on this side of the car, yeah, pretty much the same. I don't see much of a difference, but still very nice. Oh yeah, on the rear spoiler right here, it does say Tarmac right there on the side before I forget. So yeah, you do have a massive plastic spoiler right here in black, which is nice. R32 style rear lights. Of course, you do have two on each side, circular rear lights in red. Supposed to be the exhaust, I'm not sure. I forgot what are these called. Jonsibal Design Works right there. You do have your brake lights and reverse lights, I think. You have your single exhaust tip coming out from the left side right there, very nice. Rear diffuser right here, which is massive. I really like that in black. So yeah, fully matte black metal base right here, quite heavy. Tarmac Works right there, made in China. 164 scale Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Widebody. So yeah, it does come with the matte black metal base, which is neat. So yeah, this is the car. These are cars that we like to see. Fully metal decked out body and chassis, but yeah, of course the interior is has to be plastic. inclusion with the windshield and the rear spoiler and all. But this is what we like to see: solid, heavy, and wonderful castings like this that we can basically collect and also have it in our collection as usual. So yeah, love the R32, a very stunning casting, especially when you have it in front of your eyes. You can enjoy and basically see the color shifting midnight purple yourself, basically, which is just wonderful. I'm not sure if Mr. Jonsibal has the real car or not. I don't know where it's at anyways, but if he does, that is crazy, especially with this midnight purple. So yeah, like I mentioned, the chase color is in pink, chrome pink. Yeah, so it does have the chrome color scheme, like I said. So I don't know, maybe if I get the chase, I will review it for you guys, but currently I don't, so can't really do much. So yeah, chase cars, yeah, they're pretty demanding nowadays. High demand of chase cars, especially the new chrome ones. People are keeping an eye out because they're just too good. The chrome is just different on Tarmac, which is absolutely agreeable if you ask me. Other brands, they do release the chrome chase cars anyways, but I can see that Tarmac is doing it in a different way, which is very nice, I'd say. By far, we have a few cars with the regular and chrome chase car, which is actually really unique, and I hope to get my hands on the chase version of this because it just looks wonderful. Chrome pink or chrome purple, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's overall my review of the R32 Jonsibal Design Works Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Widebody made by Tarmac Works. And there you go. That is all for my review today. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.